Hey, it's Josh Varner with Varner Roofing here with you on a roof on a pretty cold winter day. So a question that comes up pretty often is, can you do shingle roofs? Can you do roofing in the winter? And yeah, that depends. It depends on the day, depends on a few factors, but ultimately, yeah. I mean, some days you can do quite a bit of roofing and it go very well in the cold weather. So we're here right now. You can probably hear the nail guns behind me. We're finishing up a pretty large roof. So I want to show you something. These shingles were put on this morning. Now, currently it's 31 degrees outside. And so a lot of the argument of doing roofing in the winter is, will the shingles seal? So here's what's interesting. 31 degrees, but the sun is shining and it's a brown roof. I want to show you something. These shingles, they're already sealing. So they're already getting a nice seal, laying down nice and flat. Job's going awesome. So yes, you can do a certified, warranted roof in the winter months and it goes very well. If you need anything, just give us a call. Have a good day.